Hi, I'm Sakshi, a second year MBA student at IIM Jammu. Life lately here has been unpredictable. One minute it's quiet and gloomy, and next minute full celebration mode. So here's what happened. One of our friends got placed.
Happy placement! गिरा दिया तूने चेरी आ गई नहीं मैं खा गई
And placement here is so random. You'll be unplaced, stressing for weeks, and then one day, boom, you're placed. And obviously that calls for a party. The only issue is we had to plan it in like say 20 minutes. Cake, people, food, vibes, everything. And what did we end up ordering?
पाई उनको मना नहीं कर पाई कि रुको खाओ मत हाँ पता है
This time around, because nothing says corporate success like midnight South Indian food, right? And then we just sat under neon lights talking about life, placements, and how unpredictable everything is. Every party here has its own vibe, and this one felt earned. Yeah, so at the moment after we decided to head to our rooms and step outside, it was full on to madness. Fog everywhere, like you genuinely could not see ahead. All of us were fully layered up because these Maharashtra girls are not built for this cold. This is not winter, this is a personality test, honestly. But at the same time, look at this. The campus is so unreal. Foggy mornings, pretty skies, mountains after rain. I honestly did not think I would like living in Jammu so much. And living away from city like this, I think it is genuinely something you'll miss later. But there's also a quick reality check. Everything here is either an uphill or a downhill, no in between. So even coming back from your dinner feels like a cardio. And it's not even about the distance, it's just the visibility. Like, look at this. You genuinely cannot see what's coming from the other side. People just appear out of nowhere, like NPCs spawning in a game. Look at this car, even. I could not tell it was coming. And everyone just walking quietly, bundled up, half asleep, half frozen, fully questioning their choices. But at the same time, it's kind of peaceful. No noise, no chaos, just fog, hills, and you walking through it. This is our sports complex. Look at that. It almost doesn't feel real, like you're inside a cloud or something. Anyways, after the whole walk, when you finally reach your room, it's a relief to say the least. I went back to my room and tried to look outside. Nothing was visible from the window. So I stepped outside into the balcony, still nothing. As someone from Mumbai, this was all very new a couple of years ago. I used to complain about the cold, cry even. I bought myself two double heaters for my room. But now I think I've started to like it, the coziness, the quiet, the slow days, and I think I will miss the winters up here in the north. It was such an experience. I had never experienced this kind of cold, the temperature, the fog. Yeah. And at this point, I think I needed validation, so I called my friend as well. Like, please tell me you're seeing this too. And astounded at it too. She stepped out, looked around, same reaction, full disbelief. We both were just standing there like, is this real or are we in some sort of simulation? And that's the thing about this place. I mean, it can feel extreme, almost unreal sometimes. But anyways, next morning, who am I kidding? The weather entirely cleared up. Sun was out. It was all shiny and glowy. With a clear sky, mood instantly was better. The weather's so good today. I was heading to class. It is such a long walk to the academic block. Half the time I'm walking I'm walking, I keep on filming then the pretty routes. On the other half, I'm just trying not to get late. And then when you finally reach the academic block,
and everything falls into place.
you walk in, grab a seat, mentally prepare yourself to be academically active. Classes begin. You're listening. Some moments you're taking note, and the other moment you're leaving out. We see this. I mean, cotton candy sky with pink and purple everywhere. The weather over here, you can never predict it at any cost. It will always surprise you. See, that's the thing that I've been saying. It was foggy yesterday, sunny in the morning, and so pink in in the evening. I cannot. Anyways, after classes, we went to a friend's place, tried to do something productive for once. Some of us were painting on canvas, and some of us were painting on iPads. Same painting, different budgets. And yeah, that's how we ended the day.
ये भी